Motor Misfit.
Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy Los. Thank you for tuning in to another Motor Misfit. I just try to put on a hat and whatever. I don't really care. Please check out the channel, check out the Motor Misfit podcast, and like, comment, subscribe, click that bell icon. That'll all help. So today we're gonna do something simple. Got the Shelby right there, and we're gonna install this ZL1 Addons mud flaps in the front. Rock guards is what they call it. Mud flaps is like what? Those stupid like things in the back of like 18-wheelers maybe. But let's see how long it'll take us to install this. Let's go. So I already opened it. Well, I opened the box. The box fell. And this is really it, right? Don't pay attention to the mess. But let's see. So I had the car on, and we're gonna put it here. But I gotta see how it really goes. All right, so I'm gonna wet the towel a little bit, and then we're gonna start wiping. Get this so that the adhesive tape can get there. So let's go. And now we come with the rubbing alcohol. So it says we gotta take off some push pins. There will be one small push pin at the top and two larger push pins at the bottom. So I think 1, 2, 3. So we are taking off these push pins. It'd be better if you have like a tool, but I don't, because then the things don't start flying off and you don't break them. But hopefully we don't break them, because I don't have other ones. So we'll see. Pretty straightforward, guys. This is probably as easy as a thing will get. And then the thing with this is that it is such a good mod because you're protecting your car. So if you see, I didn't really Alright, so got that one. We got that one, and we don't have that one actually. So what's going on? Got that one. Alright, so they're all on. Cool. Let's hit this a little bit more with some rubbing alcohol. Dry it up. And the directions say to take off like 2 inches from the top. So we're gonna definitely do that. That's about 2 inches. Let's do that. That's good right there. Got a good hold. All right. Push hard. Push hard, it says. Perfect. So that should be good. And then we start peeling it off. And we push hard all the way. And then the cool thing is that it comes with these little things that you put there. So I would put one at the top, maybe another one right here, just enough so it basically stays on. You definitely don't want that flapping off or coming off. So that's it, guys. Again, we're gonna do it now on the other side. Put some water there. Put some water there, and we're gonna go clean this off. First, let's clean the plastic piece off. Then we'll clean this. Alright. I'm gonna try to do this all with one hand, so we'll see how it goes. Got some rubbing alcohol here. Then some here. Alright. We got our ZL1 Addons thing. And basically that's how it's gonna go. So some of these pins are hard to put in, but just keep pushing and they will finally snap in. Just like the other side, it says to take off about 2 inches and you line it up with the fender. Basically what that means is that you don't want it to come out of the fender. Well, I don't know. Actually, now that I think about it, should it come out? No, because you're gonna have a whole bunch of tape. So I think that's good like that. So we come out, take all that off, and then we push hard. Let all that tape basically attach. Just push it in. And again, guys, this is just easy as hell if I'm doing it right. So this lines up, so that's good. Doesn't line up down here, comes out a little bit more, but I think that's fine. And then we take our little clips, put one right up here, hold that in place, take the other one, we'll do it, I don't want to put it too low because then it won't actually attach to the fender. Scratched it up a little bit, but it's all good. And that is it, guys. Our ZL1 Addons. I mean, I will say that I like how these are from Ford because they stick out more. These don't stick out as much, so I don't know how good they're gonna do over here, but I mean, I think with this and the rock guard that I have there, it's gonna be good. You know, I will get less rocks being kicked out over here. So yeah, it looks pretty good and it was easy. Best thing. It's pretty good. Took the car to a car show today, so it looks very clean. Let's turn this baby on and flip the wheels. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. this side, I was not. So I don't know if maybe these are way too big. This was cut way too long or wide. But yeah, it comes out way over the fender. But at the end of the day, I think we're good with just one. And I don't think we'll have an issue. Now we're going to wipe down the baby. All right, so it is hot, so I am sweating, but mostly it was because I was putting the cover on. Yeah, the ZL1 Addons thing was basically no sweat, but putting this cover up is, and mostly it was because it was freaking wet. So when I took it off this morning, it kind of rained. So yeah, I don't know. Tell me, guys, do you guys put this cover on if you park it outside? I obviously can't park it inside my garage. So what do you guys do? If you have a Mustang or a Shelby or whatever other car you guys have, Type R, whatever, and you keep it outside, preferably if it's black and the sun's gonna be beaming on it, do you cover it up? My wife had a 2013 Tahoe, and the sun killed it. Now, yes, it was 2013. We owned it for a few years, but this car is about to be, what? This car's 5 years old, guys. So I don't know. It might be getting on that same level. So I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below. What would you do? I also don't want this to scratch up the paint more than what it's been scratched up, so I guess we'll see. Anyways, that was it. That was the install of the ZL1 Addons. Next thing I gotta do is the jacking rails, but I want to do the jacking rails and something else under, so I'll wait for that, and then you guys will see what that will be. But that will be the next thing that we do. But little by little, we are getting the things on the Shelby, and we're buying some more things, so stay tuned for that. Again, let me know, what would you guys do about this cover? Would you guys cover it up or would you not? It is a hassle. Every time I want to use it, I gotta take off the cover, then I get home, put it back on. So I don't know, we'll see. But again, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have installed these rock guards from ZL1 Addons. Has it helped you? Was it this easy? Comment down below. Till next time, keep driving those cool cars.